one of our workshops we're doing a strength and materials lab. This is the traditional kind of mechanics of how things work. It's fundamental engineering skills that all of our students need to know. They'll go through sort of understanding what happens when you apply a load to a material, the difference between stress and strain, how a material deforms under load, and then how that can be applied in real-world scenarios and how that fits in with engineering.
Today there's a mixture of the T-level students and the A-level students, and they're coming here to get some experience of what university would be like for them after they finish their studies, so they know where they can go after they've left us, successfully completing their course, and what their next step is basically. I think this will benefit them enormously because they'll be able to see what's real, what it's like. And I've done a previous trip here before, and you can see the change in the students from before they come here to the end of the day when they're finished, and that excitement in them.
You know, I've learned all this mostly in a theory classroom setting, whereas I'm able to put it in a practical setting, so I can actually see how it actually works, how you'd actually perform the task, and just being able to look at it is just very interesting to me.
Yeah, we really hope that carousel days and open days and events like this will help strengthen the strategic links that we have as the University of Sunderland with our local schools and colleges, because we think it's really important that we have those links with the schools and colleges, that we see those students on a regular basis, and that we sort of have an impact on encouraging them to study engineering at university.
It's been a very interesting day. I've seen a lot of machinery. I've even done some maths here and there. It's always cool. Links in a lot with with the work I'm doing at school currently. It allows me to use that theory that I've learned in the classroom, and I'm able to put it in a practical setting.
It's brilliant for the students to get an actual impression of what university life, education and the facilities are. We can teach them and tell them what it's like, and they can get that impression, but to actually be here, to see it, to touch it, to get an experience of working with equipment, it's entirely different, and it's priceless for them, I think.